Hi everyone and welcome to my Mariah Carey transformation. So we're starting with a clean face and I'm actually going to be using Kyrolan. These are the TV paint sticks everyone loves and uses. Now I'm going to really buff them down because the way I kind of do my transformations is almost like an oil painting. I do layers and layers and layers and build up the features. The concealer I'm going to be using today is actually by IT Cosmetics. They're wonderful under eye concealer. Now, what I really want to achieve with Mariah is she always has a really beat mug. It's always glowing and gorgeous, but she has totally different facial structure to me in terms of her more voluminous cheeks. She doesn't have the same kind of volume in her top lip to me, and she has more of a rounder face. So what I've really done is I've gone through and started to map out and widen the kind of bridge of the nose. Now, normally my nose would look like this, but I haven't had my nose touched up in a minute, and I do get a little work done to my nose. So I'm going in and then I'm trying to kind of elevate the kind of width of the cheeks while still making sure it looks like the same makeup she wears. Now, I love to do transformations and I love to do the kind of transformations that I really pay homage to who I'm doing. So I'm using an artiste brush just to finesse the look. This isn't too much of a dramatic drawn on look. This is something that people could take some aspects of and wear out. I'm just going to be setting through with some Dermacolor powders, and I tend to use MAC Studio Fix powders in a number of colors because I have so many of them in my kit, just to really edge in, and that's how you get that diffusion. Now, her lower face is totally different as well. So what I've done is I've started to build up the chin structure. Now, in real life, I did have a little bit of a rosy flush to my cheeks, but sadly it looks more golden because of the pigment in it is gold and it reflects back. So it's not quite as true to the colours in life, but it does have more of a peachy, reddish, bronzy kind of look to the cheeks. Now, her brows are actually very round. They're not very fleeky, if you will, in terms of Instagram. They're actually quite unique and very statement Mariah. I matched that up, then I'm going to be going in with this gorgeous liquid lipstick. This one I believe is by Decay, and I use it more as a way of basing out the lip products. Now, I used a lot of kohl's and kind of smudgy colours around the eyes and added some lashes. Then we're going in and just adding the detail, the signature mole, this gorgeous hair, and here we go. I used some Desios to finish the look, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments below.